Hello everyone, in today's video tutorial we are going to learn how we can compress a picture that you have inserted in a given slide within the presentation. So before you can compress a picture, you have to make sure that that picture is inserted in the slide. So we are going to work with this slide 1 to insert the picture, and then we go through the steps of compressing that given picture. So we shall go to insert, then from insert we shall go to picture. Click on picture, then this dialog box will be inserted for us. So we shall go to documents because that's where our pictures are. Then we work with photos and we select the picture we want to insert. So I'll select this picture and click on insert. So when we click on insert, the picture will cover the whole slide in some circumstances. So if this happens to you, what you do is to use these points to reduce on the size of the picture to that desired size. So I will use the point, click, hold, then drag inside, then we have the size of the picture reduced. So with this placeholder you can click there and also try to move it up as well as reduce the size of this placeholder so that you have enough space for your picture. So now I can click in the picture, then try to reduce it more or resize it the way I like it. You can still use this point to also resize the picture. Now I will click, hold to move this picture and try to put it in the center. We see some words are still covered, so I can move it to this extreme side of the slide. So here we have the picture. Now the picture is inserted. We have now to compress this picture. Compressing the picture means minimizing or reducing on the size of the picture that you have in your slide. So to compress, we shall double click on this picture so that we open this format tab. So from this format tab we shall now go to this option we see, compress pictures. We click on it. So when you click on it, this dialog box is displayed for you. So you will work with this dialog box to access other options that can enable you to go ahead and compress this picture. So from this dialog box, to access those options, we shall click on options. So when you click on options, then this dialog box for compress settings is displayed for us. Now from this dialog box, like I said, compressing means reducing, and you're reducing the size of a picture for a given reason. So if your target output is that you want to print an excellent quality on most printers and screens, then you will select this first option. But if you're compressing this picture so that it is good for web pages and projectors, then you just come and select screen 150, that good for web pages and projector. If you're going to send this PowerPoint file or presentation file on email to other people, then it is good to compress the picture so that you minimize the document size for sharing. So these are the reasons as to why you may decide to go ahead and reduce the size of the picture in your presentation file. So let's assume that your target is to send this presentation to someone. So what you do to reduce on the cost of transmitting or sending this data to another person in terms of the data, so what you do is to to select this option for email, minimize document size for sharing. So after, then you click on OK. So when you click on OK, then you'll still be in position to access this dialog box. Then still from this dialog box, you will check to apply to the selected picture only. That is if you want to work with only the selected picture, but you can neglect it if you want this to be applied to all other pictures in your presentation. So to apply it to this picture, you say apply to selected pictures only, then you click on OK. So this picture is compressed and it is ready to be sent via email. And that's how you can do the compressing of the pictures that are found in the given presentation file. Hope you found this video tutorial helpful to you. That's it for now. See you in our next tutorial.